friend, this is Meetup Craft Meetup channel. We are making a new type of beautiful birthday card. So let's start. We need a red paper sheet and red marker, perfect simple paper. We need circles on the card. On the final look of my card is very pretty. Hope you like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. This is a final look of my card. It's so pretty. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.